Hi, I'm Davila. This video will show you how to build pages faster using reusable components with Squiz's Design Once, Reuse Anywhere approach. Modern websites are typically constructed using reusable code components, such as hero banners, cards, you even have accordions. This is all to streamline web page creation. But what do you do if you don't have the design skills or technical expertise to build these beautiful pages? I'm going to show you how I built this page with no technical skills by using Squiz CMS, where non-technical users can easily build a visually appealing web page by simply adding components and filling in the content. We want content authors to focus on the quality of the content they are writing and publishing, not overthinking how it should look visually. So here is the editing interface for the Squiz Matrix CMS. By clicking the Add a Component, you can see from this long list of components how you can build faster web pages in just a few clicks with these reusable and customizable options. To start off, I will add a hero banner, and I'll paste in some text and drop an image to appear as the main banner on this page. Cool. Now my image appears, which we have already uploaded onto the site. Next, I'll grab the cards component, and this will create some cards onto my page, and they're going to be responsive. So what I'll do is just edit how many cards I want, and I don't have to worry whether 4 or 3 will fit on the page. This has already been formatted by the developers who put the components on the page. I can add some text, change the format of my text, and what I'll do now is just start by pasting in some of the content I have already for these cards. All right, that's finished and that looks good. Okay, next what I'll do is grab this card listing, and what this is used is to display content that is already published on my site. So first I'll add some heading, and then I will use the asset selector to show links to the pages under this section of my site. And I'll add some formatting changes and edit the number of cards I want to show here. I'll match the 4 that I've done with my cards above. Cool, that looks good. And that's just pulling in the content that's been published under that Future Students section. Next, I'm going to add an accordion because I know we have some FAQs that come up, and FAQs are presented really well with this accordion component. So I'll sort out my heading. I'll edit the number of accordions I want to show. And I'll start pasting in my FAQ content now. I can format the text within the accordion, put some bullet points. I might even get a hyperlink in there to somewhere on the site. Cool. I'm also going to throw in an image in here, and that will be collapsed when the FAQ is not open. That's cool. And if addresses are used often on your site, the maps component will come in handy to ensure all map content is displayed correctly on the site. We don't want content authors just embedding the map code into the page. So instead we have this option to provide this easy to use components. They can display, paste in their location, decide where they're going, where they want to display the map to, add in some text for heading, and there you go. Now, when it comes to the page structure, if you change your mind, just use the drag and drop interface to change your components and reorder them how you want. Now, if I check my page in the preview section, I can see a good looking page that I created without any technical coding or design skills, just using the reusable components that have already been available to our content authors. And if you are a developer that likes to build out custom components, you can expand the components that you see here using the Squiz component service. And this is where you can create tailor-made reusable components for your business requirements, incorporating custom fields just for your needs. This is where developers can write components in the way they are familiar with and deploy them to the Squiz DXB component service. As these new components are added to the site, if we go back to our Squiz CMS, the content authors will be able to use these on the pages they are creating. And if the design of any of these components change, these changes can also be applied site-wide, so you can be sure all areas of your site are adhering to your updated designs when you're building experiences with the Squiz components. Check out our other video features within the Squiz CMS to personalize content or to utilize reusable content. Thanks!